What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Josh's Art Box. I'm Josh, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to draw any saiyan you want. If you got the time, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot, but let's get into it. As you notice, I start out with the wrinkles in the eyes and the eyebrows. There's a reason I do this, because the eyebrows and the eyes in general are going to give you the measurement of everything else in the drawing. So after the eyes, I'll draw the nose, and from there I have a general idea of where the chin is going to go. Don't be afraid to erase. If it doesn't look right, always erase it. I'm using a mechanical pencil you can get at any Walmart for like 25 cents. I use a 0.5. Anything bigger I just feel makes the lines a little too thick. But from there, I use the eyebrows to give me the measurement of the top of the ear. Once I have the top of the ear, I can connect it with the chin area or the jawline, and then everything else will flow. Now, where this gets interesting is, as long as I know how to draw one of these faces, I know how to draw any saiyan I want. And I'm going to show you how that works. Because you notice that right now, I'm sure you can guess who I'm drawing. But I'm going to draw two more pictures. But I'm not going to change the face. Now, you notice I erase quite a bit on the hair. Hair can get a little wonky. I'm not the best at it, nor do I try to pretend to be. But I do what I can. Once I have the basic shapes of everything, I'll go to inking, which I'm using a 0.1 micron pen. Now, usually on smaller pictures, well, smaller faces, and to get more detail in, I use a 0.05, but since the picture is pretty large, it's like 7 by 10, I use the 0.1. Now, I want you guys to pay attention on where things are placed. How the eyebrows start the ear, how the bottom of the ear lines up with the mouth. Now, as far as the neck, muscles, and chest and that stuff, that's more of an anatomy thing, and that's for a later video. Right now, I'm just trying to show you how to get to understand. Learning one, you know them all. I get a lot of questions like, Josh, I can't get Vegeta right, or I can't get Goku right. I could draw Gohan, but I can't draw any of the other ones. And I'm like, if you know how to draw one, just draw Gohan and change his hair. And no one understands that concept. And here, I'm going to show you now. So I start the same way on all my drawings. Eyebrows, eyes, nose, chin, ear, and then go below the chin as far as the neck and chest goes, if that's what's in the picture. But then the hair. So I'm going to draw the neck real quick, just so I have placement. And again, I'm not changing anything of the picture. Draw the little line thingies they have on their eyes. Never knew what that was. I just know it's on everyone. So if you notice how I'm drawing the sideburns match the placement of the eyebrow. It lines up pretty good. I'm gonna draw the hairline. Redraw the hairline. Yeah, that's one thing. Don't be afraid to mess up. Like, I mean, this looks terrible right now, so I start over. And yeah, don't be afraid to mess up, because if it doesn't look right, just change it. We're not inking right now. It's not permanent. Just erase it. Don't be afraid to use an eraser. I'm not against using erasers. So for those that say, oh, draw it and that's it, I mean, nobody's perfect. I've been drawing since I was 11 years old. I still don't got everything down right. So now we're in the inking process. One thing I do want to tell you, and I don't do it here just because I want to show you guys how I'm inking in a way of just long, solid strokes. I don't want to sketch it, if you know what I mean. If you do, you get sketchy lines, and you want solid lines, especially when it comes to anime. They have really smooth, solid lines. Normally, I would turn the paper, but just so for your guys' view, I try to keep the paper straight. But there's Gohan. And I'm gonna draw one more character to show you what I mean. Again, not changing the face, but getting a totally different character. I'm starting it out the same way. Eyebrows, eyes, nose, chin, ears, rest of the body if necessary. In the picture it is, so look at the chin real quick. Put the ears in, and you get the general idea. So, word of advice, learn one face. Don't worry yourself about, oh, I want to draw this saiyan, I'm going to learn this saiyan, just learn one of them. Once you learn one, you know them all. So, enjoy the rest of the drawing here while I finish up Vegeta, and hopefully I see you guys again in the next video. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. It is really appreciated. Share, comment, subscribe. It all helps out. Stay tuned. I'm going to take these same 3 drawings and show you how I color them with Copic markers. So if you're interested in that, tune in next week. I usually publish videos every Tuesday around 11:30 Eastern Standard. I hope to see you guys again. Have a good one.